Welcome back to our Agent Zero channel. I'm here today to make a few quick announcements. It's all good news, so let's get right into it. The first big thing is that the project is now officially owned and maintained by Agent Zero company. It is a Czech-based LLC created for the sole purpose of this project. The project itself doesn't change. It will still be free and open source as you know it. This just gives us a way to pay our developers, pay less taxes, provide us with better legal protection, etc. All the details and contacts of this legal entity are now listed on our official web, agent-zero.ai. We might still need to update a few profiles on our social media, etc., but most of that should already be done. That brings me to the second update. Because the project is now maintained by a company, all the repositories are now transferred under a company namespace. Both the GitHub repository and the Docker Hub repository can now be found under agent0ai/agent0. This is the GitHub repo. All the stars, issues, pull requests, everything has been transferred. Even if you still use the old one, you will be redirected to the new one automatically. This is the new Docker Hub repository, the same namespace, agent0ai/agent0. By the way, it is the same as we use for our Twitter handle. So this is where you can now find the official Agent Zero Docker image in Docker Desktop. Unfortunately, Docker Hub doesn't allow any redirects, so you will have to start using this new namespace and repository name. But I will still update the old repository with a few more future versions so that you have time to adjust. All the relevant links in the repository, in documentation, as well as on the web should already be updated. Probably with the exception of some older YouTube videos, I will still work on that. So all the references to my personal accounts are now being removed from the project, leaving only official project resources. And now an update for our community. We have decided to revive our Agent Zero Skool community. Skool is a great platform to share learning resources and important information, and also it's great for community interaction. Skool is better visually organized than Discord, for example. It's easier to find relevant information there. You have the classroom, for example, where we can organize our existing resources and videos into categories like tutorials or updates. And because the main community feed itself is organized into posts and comments, information here on Skool feels much more persistent. These posts and comments can be linked directly to the classroom, and classroom can be referenced here in posts. So new users seeking help can easily find previous posts discussing their problem. Also, important posts on Skool don't fade out too quickly. If they are commented on, even a month-old post will still appear on top of the feed. So our goal now is to put more effort into the content on our Skool community, help new members with onboarding and solving initial problems with Agent Zero, and also promote social interaction and help inside our community. For this reason, we teamed up with Josh, our community member. Josh was kind enough to offer us his help with maintaining the Skool community as admin and also hosting the community call, which you can find in the calendar section of Agent Zero Skool community. The community call will take place once a week on Wednesday afternoon UTC. Please check the exact time in your time zone. And this call is community focused, helping members overcome obstacles or brainstorm their ideas. Josh will be the official host of the call. I will be joining these calls and other developers as well as our schedule allows it. I should also mention that the Skool community is free, of course, and our Discord server is not going anywhere. Feel free to choose whichever platform you prefer. The last update is about our community platform. As you may already know, our community platform is built around our AOT token, allowing our users to submit improvement proposals and upvote them. Here I would like to thank all of our users that submitted or upvoted improvement proposals. Some of them have already been implemented into Agent Zero. More are still waiting to be upvoted and accepted. I already started working on a second layer of our community governance, which is community voting on polls and surveys. It will take some time to develop and test, especially all the security aspects of it, But in the long run, it will greatly help us with decision-making process. Also following improvement proposals when we need to decide whether to implement them or not and to what extent. The voting mechanism will use exactly the same signature and staking system based on the AOT token, just like improvement proposals, to prevent any misuse and double voting. Two other things currently being worked on are wallet nicknames and a list of upvoters being publicly visible in each improvement proposal. That's it for today's updates. As always, thank you for your time. Don't forget to visit our website, agent-0.ai, where you can find links to our socials, where you can learn more about the project, its goals and features. Thank you very much and see you next time.